And the house is a mess. I certainly don't expect you to stand up and vacuum the house. Now you can clean your floors from your bed with a touch of a button with this $400 Neato Robotic vacuum.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you'll be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
This is the craziest thing I've ever heard. It is laser-based room positioning system. It can see 360 degrees. It maps out your rooms and vacuums every square inch. It won't hit your pets or your furniture. And when it's done, it will automatically return to its base for recharging. It's like the Jetsons. And it's amazing. Amazing.